What appears on screen is a powered loudspeaker with a trapezoidal cabinet, the classic form factor associated with live sound reinforcement and professional audio applications. The Alto TX410 seems positioned for musicians, event producers, and mobile DJs who need reliable amplified output in portable format. At first glance, the 10-inch woofer configuration suggests a speaker designed for mid-sized venues, stage monitoring, small concerts, corporate events, or DJ setups where coverage area and SPL output matter more than audiophile grade fidelity. One thing that stands out is the built-in amplifier power rating. Alto's TX series has been associated with reliable powered output at accessible professional price points, and the TX410 appears to continue this approach with what seems like adequate headroom for moderate volume applications. Moving on to inputs, XLR and mixed signal connections appear standard, covering microphone, instrument, and line-level sources without requiring additional external mixing. The onboard EQ seems to offer basic tonal adjustment for different acoustic environments. From here, the cabinet build appears roadworthy for regular transport, with handles and corner protection that seem designed for mobile use. Weight may be a consideration for solo operators who handle equipment independently. Overall, the experience feels like a functional and accessible powered speaker for users entering or operating in the live sound space. Some users may prefer more DSP control or advanced preset options. Depending on your typical venue size and source configuration, the Alto TX410 appears to offer dependable live audio performance.